Good day, everyone. It's Opeto Taker, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, in today's video, it's just gonna be a bit of a market breakdown. You're gonna have a market breakdown on. I'm just gonna have a look on DXY and some dollar-based pairs. So thank you so much for joining me in today's video. So as you can see, we are on the dollar index, and I'm on my weekly chart. I'm on my weekly chart, and as you can see on my weekly chart, I've actually had this strong zone here. So whenever the market approached this zone, it approached the zone in a correction, or in a descending type of a formation. And we know whenever we have this type of a structure, we should start looking forward for our reversals. If the market has been moving to the downside, if we get this type of a formation, this type of a structure, we know that now the market has to give us a reversal. And as you can see here, we do have a bit of a zone right here. We have a bit of a zone, but now because we are on our weekly time frame, I'm just gonna move to my daily time frame for now. Let me move to my daily time frame. As you can see on my daily time frame, let me just try to adjust this because it's gonna be way too big on our lower time frames. So as you can see here, we do have a zone here that we spotted on our higher time frame. And remember, the higher time frame zones have higher possibilities of them playing out, higher probabilities of them playing out. So as you can see, we also have this high here. So the market started here, dropping from here. So it shows that this is actually a strong resistance zone. So this is a very strong resistance zone. As you can see, the market came from here and it just fell. So as you can see, we had a impulse to the downside, and we started having a correction. We started having this corrective structure, as you can see. So now what I can see, let's move to my 4 hour, because I want to actually focus on the current market price. So as you can see, the market has been pushing nicely to the upside, and now the market is actually giving us a continuation flag. As you can see, the market has been it's been in a correction. It's been creating this corrective structure, and whenever we get this type of a corrective structure, we know that now we might be expecting the market to continue. So this is a continuation pattern according to our strategy. This is a continuation pattern. So on DXY, for now, let's just target the nearest zone, which is this one. So there's a zone somewhere around here. So for me, I would say DXY is still gonna shoot to the upside. It shows that dollar, it's a bit bullish. So as you can see here, we also have this type of a structure here. You can see the market gave us this type of a structure. After this impulse shoot to the upside, we had a correction. Now expecting the market to come break, then come retest, then continue shooting to the upside. So for me, dollar, it's also bullish. According to our strategy, dollar is bullish. The dollar is still bullish. So whenever we have a bullish dollar, we know that any pair that is dollar based, it has to buy, and any pair that is dollar it's against the dollar, we have to look for selling opportunities. So each and every pair that is against the dollar, we should be looking forward for selling opportunities. So let's take a look at gold. So I'm not gonna analyze a lot of pairs. So let's take a look at gold. Let's go to our weekly time frame and actually remove everything, our drawings. So I've actually removed all the drawings. So this is our daily, our weekly time frame. So as you can see, we actually had this low on gold. We had this low on gold, this low, and we had also this high. So we also had this high. So now, as you can see, the market has been it's been correcting, and that's and this zone. It's been going up, it's been going down, it's been going up. So it's a bit complicated, because now as I'm looking at this, I see this type of a formation which was an impulse shoot to the upside. Then I see a corrective or a continuation structure. I see this continuation structure on gold, and especially after this impulse candlestick, we might be looking for something different, something that we did not expect. So for now, let me move to my daily time frame. It might make sense from my daily time frame. It might start making sense for my daily time frame. Might start making sense for my daily time frame. So here, as you can see now, we have this correction, which is and a descending channel. So whenever we get this, we should be looking forward for buying opportunities. So as you can see, the market came and then impulse gave us a correction. Now the market is in a impulse shoot to the upside. So for us to be looking for selling opportunities, we must look we must wait for gold to lose strength somewhere around this zones. Then that's when we're gonna start looking for more selling opportunities. Or gold might be giving us a head and shoulders pattern. But for now, this is a continuation pattern. So for now, you must say that gold actually looks a bit bullish. So let me move to my 4-hour time frame. It might give us more confirmations. Might give us more confirmations on this. So as you can see with that, see that now gold gave us those continuation patterns. So right now gold is also in a pair of it's also in a pair of a correction right somewhere around here. So it might drop a bit to actually try and retest the previous lows, which are those ones. Maybe it might come back here, then start shooting to the upside, because of now it's a break of this descending channel. It has to come a retest, then start shooting to the upside. But for now, let's just look for buying opportunities on gold, maybe until this zone. Then that's when we might start looking for selling opportunities. So yeah, gold, actually we might look for that. So let me move. What's this? This is GBP USD. So as you can see, GBP USD, it's a bit bullish on our daily time frame. So it might be a bit confusing, because now I might be seeing continuations of sells or buys. Okay, for now let's move to our weekly time frame, and actually have the overview of this. So this is our lowest low of the market, and thus we have the nearest high. We have this nearest highs. So we might expect the market to push a bit here, then might start dropping from there, because the market is giving us this corrective structure. This is what we might be looking for. Also, we might have a correction to the upside, retesting this, then a drop. So let me move to my daily, because we are on our weekly time frame now. Because now we are on our weekly time frame. Yeah, so on this we might be looking forward, because the market is in a bullish type of a formation. So we might take this. Let me have a look at this. This is a very bullish structure. So this might be a correction. Then the market might push to the upside till at least around this zones. Then we might start looking forward for selling opportunities, at least a drop, the market retesting this lows or highs. Then we might start looking forward for selling opportunities on GBP USD. So gold, it's bullish. GBP USD, we might start seeing a bearish pressure. So for now, let's just stop on this, so for now you might be looking for buying opportunities, because as you can see we also have this continuation to the upside. It might be bearish, but for now let's not rush. Let's just follow the market, so the overall direction might be bullish, bearish, but we must respect this. At least it must give us more confirmations of those selling structure, so yeah, for GBP/USD should be looking for this, for buying opportunities for now before sales. Let's have a look at Euro/USD. So as you can see, Euro/USD, it's a bit confusing also, because we have this continuation channel, this continuation channel that shows that Euro/USD, especially after this impulse shoot and also this previous structure, as you can see, this previous continuation or reversal pattern. Now we're having a correction here, so we might be looking forward for the market to drop further to the downside. Might look for the market to break this and an impulse, then maybe have a bit of a correction, retesting this highs. Then we know that the market now has to continue shooting to the downside. It has to respect the structure, maybe shoot to the downside till this lows, till it reach this low, So let's move to my 4-hour time frame and actually have a look at this. As you can see, we have this bearish continuation flag, especially after this correction. This, I might say it's an impulse correction, whatever, a continuation. But yeah, for now, let's just wait for more confirmations. The market is a bit complicated this week, so I would say for now, let's just deal with how it looks, Let's just trade what we see, not what we think, So as you can see, we have that. Also had this channel, So for now, yeah, let's just look for more continuations to the downside, to at least this lows also, before we should start looking for more continuations to the downside, or maybe a reversal to the upside. So we need to wait for at least a break and a retest of this, then look for selling opportunities. So yeah, this is bear. So whenever we analyze the DXY, you know that we somehow have the overall direction of this pairs. So thank you so much, guys, for joining me in today's video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and also share the video with your friends. Yeah, so we're still gonna drop more videos. So thank you so much, guys. It's your boy, and I'm signing out.